Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Lisa Post. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So today we want to talk about town unity, councillors working together, and as you probably already know, in the past we have seen some issues where maybe council wasn't as unified as we'd like to see it. So I wanted to know how you would address a situation like that personally, and what we can do to fix that moving forward.
Yeah, there's definitely been, it's been hot at council, to say the least. So I've had the pleasure of attending all the council meetings in the last 4 years, and I've been writing my blog in my humble opinions. And one of the things that I've really focused on is that respect piece. I absolutely think it's okay to not agree on everything all the time. In fact, I would prefer that. I think some of the best ideas that are ever born come from really great, respectful, open discussion. There are people on council right now that I have a ton of respect for, and I don't always agree with them, but I can really agree with where their opinion comes from because it's extremely well researched and they have backing, and I can disagree with them in a respectful way but still appreciate their opinion. And I think that's the most important part. I think that as a council we need to have that unified front where we do have open, honest, but respectful conversation, and I think that that's so key.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for providing some answers and insight into how you would react to those situations. And certainly if you want to see some more answers from Lisa Post, feel free to take a look at the links below, and thank you for watching.